Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Unique custom leather, all handmade and hand painted. In this week's edition of the Business Review, we take a look at Devine treasures. Here is Deidre Thomas.
Rooted in a heritage of fine leather craftsmanship, Devine Treasures has taken the fashion world by storm.
To get in the hotel, then you had to know, to make something, and the only thing was available was leather. So I had to learn. The person teach me how to do sandals, but then and there I decided, sandals alone not gonna work. So everything just keep coming in little by little by little by little until it's like this.
Each of the custom-made leather pieces in the exquisite collection is meticulously hand-painted to redefine the very essence of personal style.
We do wristlet clutches, we do handbags, we do keychains, magnets, we do ornaments. It's a wide range of products that we do. Most of our small pieces, we're now supplying different hotels with them, and we too have a location on the pier in Falmouth.
Visionary Cheryl Whitehead, having honed her skills for over 20 years, details the very tedious but fulfilling process to make each product.
Jamaican tan leather, when we get it, I have to actually beat it and stretch it out on a pallet or a board to get it before. Then you cut the design, then they're all hand painted. After cutting the design, I have to hand paint them. Then we use a lacquer finish. So it's really a long process, but when you enjoy it, it doesn't seem like it's long.
But beyond the aesthetic appeal of the varied creations, the company faced challenges.
Most of the challenge I face really is raw material. We only have one supplier that we can get the Jamaican leather from. Other is imported, and because of that, it gives us a setback sometimes. But now we're trying to get another person that can assist, because I really do not want my business to die.
Yet, Mrs. Whitehead says the business is seeing an increase in its profit margin.
It was just me and my husband, and every little bit we get with bun or a belly, and then we just tell ourselves we're going to buy this little machine this time and buy that there. So we did it on our own.
Looking to the future, she's hoping to expand the business beyond local borders.
I do have a lot of international customers, but I want to see my products in different boutiques overseas and different stores, and that is my aim.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.